Welcome to another video by LineUpAndWait, a travel blog. Come along from Denver to New York's JFK Airport.
Ground, Delta 875 Heavy is approaching Fort Echo with, Delta 875 Heavy, Denver ground, runway 8 taxi Mike, verify your pickup information, Delta.
We are instructed to taxi to runway 8 via taxiway Mike. We are flying the Eon 7 departure Wyndham transition. We will depart runway 8, climb on heading 083 to intercept the Coista Royal, and cross it at or below 10,000 feet. Then Shobo intersection at or below 12,000 feet, and Lupton intersection at or above 14,000 feet.
Delta 875 Heavy, monitor tower on 133.3. 133.3, Delta 875 Heavy today. Yeah.
A couple notes on the departure. There's a note to accelerate to 250 knots or above upon reaching 10,000 feet. Pretty standard.
Delta 875 Heavy, Denver Tower, runway 8, line up wait.
Delta 875 Heavy, line up wait, runway.
Also, there's going to be something else we got to look out for. A climb gradient. For runway 8, there are different climb gradients for different portions of the climb. The first portion is going to be 420 feet per nautical mile. Assuming 180 knot ground speed for our first segment of the climb, it's going to be a 1,260 foot per minute climb required, and that's only going to be up to 5,934 feet. For their second segment of the climb, assuming a 240 knot ground speed, it's going to be a 260 foot per nautical mile gradient up to 14,000 feet or 1,060 feet per minute. This is definitely easy work for the 767-300ER with a light load of fuel out of Denver, even though it is a high density altitude airport.
The 875 Heavy, contact departure, good day.
The arrival today into JFK will be the Lindy 6 arrival, beginning at the Wilkes-Barre Vortec. This arrival is relatively straightforward with only restrictions that should be expected. We will expect to cross Geno at flight level 230 and cross Lindy at flight level 190 and 250 knots. The controller, however, has to give both of these instructions.
Delta 875 Heavy, descend and maintain 16,000, altimeter 3023. 3023 down to 16,000, Delta 875 Heavy. Delta 875 Heavy, descend and maintain 13,000, turn right heading 180. Down to 3,000, left 180, Delta, right 180, Delta 875 Heavy. Delta 875 Heavy, descend maintain 2,000. Descend 2,000, Delta 875 Heavy. JetBlue 1323 departure, ready to contact. Climb maintain 17,000. Up to 17,000, JetBlue 1323. Delta 875 Heavy, turn left heading 130. Left 130, Delta 875 Heavy. Delta 392 Heavy, can you give me good rate of descent today? Yeah, we'll hurry. Delta 392 Heavy, turn left heading 150. Heading 150, Delta 392 Heavy. New York, Delta 639, 9,000 with Zulu. Delta 875 Heavy, turn left heading 100. Left 100, Delta 875 Heavy.
We will expect vectors for the ILS 31 left approach into JFK.
Delta 875 Heavy, turn left heading 040. Left 040, Delta 875 Heavy.
It's going to be a pretty standard approach featuring a 3-degree glide slope. There are 3 important notes on this approach. Number 1, simultaneous approaches are authorized, meaning we can land next to other aircraft. Number 2, the distance information for the pilots is derived from the JFK VOR DME and not the localizer frequency. And number 3, there is a large displaced threshold on runway 31 left, removing over 3,000 feet of usable length for landing. Good thing the runway is still over 2 miles long.
Center 13,000, triple 33. Delta 875 Kennedy Airport, 9 o'clock, 10 miles. Inside Delta 875 Heavy. Delta 875 Heavy, turn left heading 350, clear to visual approach 31 left. 350 clear to visual, 31 left, Delta 875 Heavy. Delta 1833 heading 040, reduce speed to 210. Well, 210 knots, Delta 1833. Tower Delta 875 Heavy, switch to visual 31 left. Delta 875 Heavy, Kennedy Tower, wind 3606, runway 31 left, clear to land. Clear to land, 31 left, Delta 875 Heavy. Tower Delta 392 Heavy, 6 miles, 31 left. Delta 392 Heavy, Kennedy Tower, clockwork turbulence on a Company Heavy 767, 3 miles ahead. Wind 3606, runway 31 left, clear to land. Clear to land, 31 left, Delta 392 Heavy. Delta 875 Heavy, turn right at Mike Charlie, taxi to the ramp via Papa and Bravo, monitor ground, point 9er.
Mike Charlie, Papa, Bravo, go to the ramp, Delta 875, good ramp.
Finally, we clear the runway on taxiway Mike Charlie. We will then taxi to the right onto taxiway Papa, which will then become taxiway Bravo, and make a left turn into Hotel Bravo for our gate in Terminal 4. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you enjoyed the video, like, comment, and subscribe.